Elderberry is a type of flowering plant that is native to Europe but can be found throughout the world. The plant produces small, dark purple berries that are used in various culinary and medicinal applications. In this video, we will explore the medicinal benefits of elderberry, how to use it in food, and how to grow it. Elderberry has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is rich in antioxidants and is known to have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and immune-boosting properties. The two common types of elderberry used for food and medicine are Sambucus nigro, which is native to Europe, and Sambucus canadiensis, which is native to North America. A third species, Sambucus racemosa, is similar to the North American variety, but produces a bright red fruit that is poisonous and should not be ingested. Elderberry has been traditionally used as a remedy for colds, flu, and other respiratory infections. It has also been used to reduce fever, headaches, and joint pain. Elderberry contains high levels of flavonoids, which are compounds that have been shown to have powerful antioxidant properties. These flavonoids are believed to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Elderberry also contains high levels of anthocyanins, which are pigments that give the berries their dark purple color. These pigments have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. In addition to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, elderberry has been shown to have antiviral properties. Several studies have found that elderberry can help reduce the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms. One study found that elderberry extract reduced the duration of flu symptoms by an average of 4 days. If you are new to herbal medicine, it may seem a bit overwhelming, but you don't have to know everything about every herb. Even master herbalists don't know everything about every herb. But if you can know 5 or 10 herbs really well, knowing what they're used for, how they are used, and who shouldn't use them, you can take care of most of the health issues you and your family face. By concentrating on one herb each month, by the end of the year, you will be confident in using 12 herbs safely and effectively. I have created a printable monograph about how to grow and use elderberry. You can get a copy from the link in the description. Elderberry can be used medicinally in several forms, each with its own unique benefits and uses. Here are some of the most common forms and the best way to use them. Elderberry syrup is perhaps the most popular form of elderberry medicine. It is made by cooking the elderberries with water and sugar and sometimes other herbs and spices, and then straining the liquid. Elderberry syrup is rich in antioxidants and immune-boosting compounds and is commonly used to prevent or treat colds and flu. To use elderberry syrup, take 1 or 2 teaspoons daily to help your body prevent infection from whatever is going around. Or if you think you're coming down with something, take 1 tablespoon 4 times a day until your symptoms are gone. Elderberry tea is made by steeping 1 tablespoon of dried elderberries in just boiled water for 20 minutes. This can be sweetened with honey or other natural sweeteners. Elderberry tea is a soothing and relaxing drink that is rich in antioxidants and immune-boosting compounds. It is commonly used to treat colds and flu and to support overall wellness. To use elderberry tea, drink 1 or 2 cups each day. Elderberry tincture is a concentrated liquid extract of elderberry. It is made by steeping elderberries in alcohol for several weeks. Elderberry tincture is a convenient and fast-acting way to get the benefits of elderberry. Taking 1/2 teaspoon of elderberry tincture mixed in a cup of water each day should help you ward off any viruses that are going around. If you think you're coming down with a virus or you have been exposed but don't feel sick yet, take this 4 times a day for a week. While elderberry tea and syrup are safe for children, because tinctures contain alcohol, it is not recommended for children. Stick with the tea or the syrup. It is important to note that while elderberry is safe for most people, it may interact with certain medications and cause side effects for some individuals. It is always important to consult with a healthcare provider that is trained in both modern medications and herbal products before using any new herbal supplement or remedy. This is especially important for people who have an autoimmune disease. Since elderberry stimulates your immune system to fight off infections, it could possibly worsen your autoimmune disease. Elderberry can be used in various culinary applications. The berries can be used to make jams, jellies, syrups, and sauces. They can also be used to flavor pies, cakes, and ice cream. Elderberry can be grown in most areas of the world. It prefers moist, well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. The plants can grow up to 10 feet tall and should be spaced at least 4 to 6 feet apart. Elderberry plants are typically propagated from cuttings. Cuttings should be taken in the fall or early spring and should be planted in well-drained soil. We used to have a large patch of wild elderberry growing in our hayfield, but the cows got into it last year and completely destroyed it. So I ordered some elderberry starts from the Missouri Conservation Department, and we are planting more. These are going in the yard away from the cows. Elderberry plants typically produce fruit in their second or third year. The berries are ready to harvest when they're fully ripe and have turned a dark purple color. Thank you for stopping by the old Mayfield place today. Stay healthy, try not to blow away, and have a blessed week.